Okay, so this is lab station 3, cell cycle energy. So you click on your gizmo, it's going to open up here, right, to the chloroplast. Okay, first slide is just warming up. It wants to know what the chemical formula is for these items: oxygen, glucose, carbon dioxide, and water. So you're just copying it right from there. O2C6H12O6. Chemical formula means the compound form with the elements on there, not the name. So just copy them right from that slide. Okay, then we're going to look at photosynthesis. First thing you want to do is put, where does photosynthesis occur? So you're looking at this. What organelle is this? And it even tells you down here, drag photosynthesis inputs to the chloroplast. Okay, drag each molecule from the chemicals box to the chloroplast in the photosynthesis box. So if you don't know what it is, you're just going to guess. So if you go like this, it doesn't let you. If you go like this, it doesn't let you. If you do this, it lets you. Showing an input. That's what you're putting into the chloroplast. These are called reactants. So you're going to figure out which reactants are for the photosynthesis. Then you're going to look for the products. So the products are the outputs, right? So if I put my inputs, I'm going to see outputs after I add light. See, it says outputs, right? Some arrows there, and it shows the outputs. Those are my products. So in orange, I have my products. My blue, I have my reactants. I'm going to put those. Here are my products. The arrow means a chemical reaction's occurring. That's, pretty much a college university degree between the reactants and the products, what that arrow means. But basically, you're transforming these compounds over here into these compounds over here. That's what we mean by reactants and products. Don't worry about the arrow, it just means a transformation is occurring. And that transformation is photosynthesis. Okay, then you're going to click turn on formula to check, make sure you're right, and then click turn on show description, and that will be in words. So then up here you should have your chemical formulas, and down here your words. Then you're going to take a photo. Remember to take a photo is a little camera icon. Yeah. And then copy and paste. You're going to do the same thing for respiration. So you're going to click on respiration. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to put the inputs in. The only difference is you're going to just keep clicking next until you get to the very last slide. We are not concerned with this middle stuff here. We just want to see the outputs. Okay, so don't worry about all this stuff in the middle. We're just looking for the inputs and the outputs. And you're going to do the same thing. What were the inputs? What were the outputs? Write your chemical formula. Right, show input-output formula. Right, show description. And same thing. Okay, you're going to just copy that down into your slides. Again, take a picture of after the mitochondria. Good job. Copy and paste that, and then do your formative.